Meanwhile, the murder trial began today for the man who's charged with murdering a woman in downtown Duluth last year. The U.S. Marshal's Office arrested 34-year-old Darius Plummer from Michigan last summer. That was for second-degree murder without intent and second-degree assault with a dangerous weapon in connection to the homicide. The murder happened on April 12th last year on West 1st Street and North 1st Avenue in Duluth. Police found 25-year-old Chantel Moose with a stab wound to her neck. She ended up dying at the hospital. According to court documents, Plummer allegedly stabbed Moose during an argument that night. We recently spoke with Moose's mother, Chantel Moose, who said her daughter loved to dance and make a deep impact on every person she met. She also said that getting justice for her daughter means a lot because she was taken away not only from her, but someone else, too.
They took Chantel, not only from us, but her daughter. She's got a little girl that's unfortunately gonna have to grow up without her. We all love and miss her.
Well, Chantel was honored last week at an event for the National Day of Awareness for Missing and Murdered Indigenous Women and Relatives. 2 other men were arrested in connection to Moose's murder. Camonte Cage of Duluth was sentenced to 5.5 years in prison for a firearm charge, and Trayvon Walters does not have a court date set yet.